Stay tuned. I'm about to make my juicy turkey burger. All right, today's ingredients. We have ground turkey. I'm gonna have lettuce and tomatoes on my hamburger, of course. Cheese, that's American cheese. Some white bread. Extra virgin olive oil. And I'm gonna have Worcestershire sauce. Now, in place of the Deebo seasoning, you can use salt or pepper. And we're going to use 1 tablespoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of pepper. We're going to use the Deebo special seasoning.
I use a heavy cast iron skillet.
Alright, here we go. I'm going to start off by putting in a splash. Let's go for about a tablespoon of olive oil. It's going to give you that fat that you need. And then I'm going to put in about a tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. And I'm going to put in about about a teaspoon of liquid smoke. And I'm going to put in 1 tablespoon of the Deebo special seasoning. And I'm going to mix all this up. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to mix this up. And after I mix it up, I'll be right back and you'll see the final product. Hold on. Now I'm going to take the meat and I'm going to put it inside this plastic here and I'm going to create my patty. Create my patty inside of here. What's up, patty? I'll put the meat inside of this to create my patty. And watch, you'll see it's going to be the perfect size patty. You serve perfect size burger. Great for lunch, dinner. And if you put it with some eggs, great for breakfast. Okay. So look here, you got the perfect size patty. And all I gotta do is just press it down a little, compress it a little bit more. Compress is perfect. Okay, now watch what I do. So I'm only making 2 burgers tonight. I'll save the rest of the meat for later. So I just want to show you, give you a demonstration of what I add to my juicy burgers. Now it's time to flip them. Notice half of it is cooked on one side. Now I'm going to cook it on the other side. And it's hopefully going to cook all the way through. And right before it cooks all the way through, I'm going to add water to the pan to cover it halfway. Okay, I'm gonna pour half a cup of water in here. And then I'm gonna cover it for about 10 minutes. Check on it now. So good. Now these burgers got kind of puffy, so I'm gonna smash them out with it. Smash. They already really, you know, look at the juice. Look at all the juice spreading out. All that juice. You gotta see this. You know these burgers are juicy. Look at that. Turkey burgers. Deebo, 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 Deebo. I poured off like about 99% liquid, so I'm going to turn the fire off, and I'm going to put cheese on it, both patties, and I'm going to let it sit. I'm just going to put the top back on it, let that cheese melt on there, and get them ready for my white bread. All right, these should be ready right now. Oh, by the way, this is my white bread, lettuce, tomato. Some of y'all like mustard, some of y'all like mayonnaise. So I got both. Here we go. Look at that. Cheesy. Ooh, cheese all over that burger. Look at that. Okay, I'm gonna put that right there. On that right there. On that right there. Ooh-wee. That looks so good. Look at this one here. Ooh-wee. Look at that. Look at that burger. Ooh-wee. That right. It's a Deebo's Juicy Turkey Burger. Watch this. That looks so good. I don't know about y'all, but I'm ready to eat.
Make sure you subscribe.
Deebo.